Real Talk na Entrepreneurship Part 2. Sabi nila, you can have time freedom agad in 3 to 6 months daw.
Totoo ba yan na sinabi na magkakaroon ng time freedom and financial freedom in 3 to 6 months? Pwede ba talaga yan? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa araw na ito.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Sa episode natin na ito, I'm going to do a commentary video that really caught my attention at TikTok na talagang napaisip talaga ako na matagal. Na talagang sabi ko, ang lalim ng taong ito. And then, I've been following her and I've been learning a lot from her also. Especially if you want to be more intelligent, I do suggest you follow her. Her name is Kia Cabrera at tapos meron siyang pinag-usapan about entrepreneurship. At ano po ang sinabi niya about entrepreneurship and time freedom? Let's listen to this.
Real Talk na Entrepreneurship Part 2. Sabi nila, you can have time freedom agad in 3 to 6 months daw. Now, we tend to think of time freedom as earning without too much effort and time. Pero guys, yung mga business coaches ko na 9 to 10 figure business owners, hindi mo sila basta-basta may istorbo. May mga tao na to ha, they also have workforces in the hundreds, pero ang busy pa rin nila. So you know what I realized? Time freedom doesn't mean earning 6 or 7 figures while working 2 to 3 hours a day. It doesn't mean earning a lot at less time. It means having the ability to allocate your availability. My business coaches can say no to an invite to a meeting. They can say no to a client that doesn't align with them. They can say no to projects that will compromise family time. But they have reached that point in their business where they can choose to be hands-on as much as they want. And they can take a break when they need it, and their business will still continue to serve.
Yon na yon! Totoo yung grabe. Ang galing talaga. Oo, English lang po, no? Kaya nga medyo ito-translate po natin. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, karamihan ng mga successful na mga nagdenegosyo at negosyante, it took them years muna to develop. Kailangan mag-invest ka muna ng time. Walang 3 to 6 months, magiging ano ka na, negosyo, nandun nagpapatakbo, wala ka nang gagawin, kukuyakoy ka na. No! Alam nyo sa startup stage ng business, sa startup or tinatawag nating survival stage, more or less, listen to me, look at me. It would take you 6 months to 2 years. 6 months to 2 years for you to learn the system. Ganun talaga yan. Lalo kung nag-uumpisa, walang nagko-coach at walang nag-guide sa'yo. So, nung 6 months to 2 years, ay nako, oras. Ikaw ang mamimili, ikaw mamamalengke, ikaw nagluluto, ikaw magpapak, ikaw magmamarket, ikaw magpapaship, ikaw kokolekta, ikaw lahat as in. Ikaw unang papasok, ikaw huling uuwi. Totoo ba o hindi? Lalo na sa mga taong nagdenegosyo. Naniniwala ba kayo na 3 to 6 months meron ka ng financial freedom and time freedom? Wala yun. That's not true. That's not real. In other words, nabebentahan lang po tayo pero hindi po totoo yun. Because it takes time to build a business. Kung kayo nag-agree, please type agree in the comment section. Second, ang natutunan ko sa sinabi niya, di ba, after you have already built a system through time, di ba, may mga tao ka na. Despite of that, napaka-busy pa rin itong mga taong ito. Bakit po? The more doors that opens, the more opportunities that they will take. Likewise, with me, right now, kung tatanungin nyo, from the day I started up to right now, ilang opportunities na po nagbukas sa akin? Ay, grabe. Dati lang, speaking engagement lang. Speaking engagement lang. Tapos nagsulat ako ng libro, nag-second opportunity. Tapos nag-open na yung social media, third opportunity na yan. Fourth opportunity, nag-TV na ako. Padami ng padami po yung opportunity. Yung time ko ay nakakain din po. Pero tamang sinabi niya, right now, since kumikita na ako ng maayos, meron na akong opportunity, meron na akong time freedom to say no. Pwede ko nang tanggihan yung mga project. Bakit po? Kasi nga, kung mako-compromise yung oras ko sa pamilya ko, ba't ko siya gagawin? Diba? Dati wala akong choice. Wala akong choice na kailangan tanggapin sila kasi wala akong pinagkakakitaan. Likewise with you right now. The reason why wala kang time freedom kasi wala kang choice. Wala kang choice but you have to work. Wala kang choice but you have to go abroad. Wala kang choice but to work overtime. Kasi pag sinabi ni boss, pag hindi mo ginawa, baka matanggal ka. Agree ka ba? Pero pag umabot ka na sa punto na kumikita ka na stable, hindi mo na kailangan na pilitin ka magtrabaho.
Ba't ako magtatrabaho? Open ang kita ko. Ba't ako mag-a-abroad? Iiwanan ko yung pamilya ko. May kinikita na ako dito .
So in other words, nagkakaroon ka na ng time freedom to choose where you want to place your time. Galing. Again, it takes time to make a change. So better laugh and make it easy. Nakanta niyo. No, it takes time for you to build a business. And then once you start building business, stable na yung business mo, kumikita ka na, meron ka ng time to choose. Kung anong gugustuhin mo, kailan ka magbabakasyon o kailan ka galing yun. Yan ang tinatatawag na time freedom. Pero meron pang siyang dinagdag, okay, aside from this.
Pero remember, it took them years to get to that point. Hindi siya nangyayari at the get-go. The earlier that you accept that the payback and the ROI will take time, the better you can plan with more realistic expectations and the better mindset. Huwag ka masisilaw sa achievements ng iba dahil hindi mo rin alam ang pinagdaanan nila to get there. Huwag kang masilaw sa pa-flex ng car o pinapaypay na pera pero wala naman integrity. You have your own path and your own pace. Learn, implement, and troubleshoot. Ready, fire, aim, but don't lose your morals and your integrity along the way.
Grabe. Lalim, malalim. English na naman eh. Sinabi niya na talagang pag natin ikukumpara, wag natin iisipin na napakadali lang manegosyo. Again, may oras eh. Kailangan talaga ng oras. It took Rome. How many years, how many decades to build Rome? Ganun din po. It will take a lot of time also for us, ladies and gentlemen, to build a business. Kaya nga, wag po tayong mabubudol or let's say yun nga, magpapabulag sa mga taong nakikita na,
Grabe, 6 months lang, ito na kinikita niya, laki-laki na ng cheque niya, meron na siyang sasakyan, ganito na kinikita.
pero hindi niya pinakita sa inyo, hindi niya pinaalam sa inyo. Oo. Na matagal na niyang ginagawa to. Oo, may years of experience na siya. Meron na siyang 10 to 20 years of experience nung ginawa niya to, napakadali na, kaya in 6 months, kumita siya agad. Unlike you, ikaw na nakikinig at nanonood po sa akin, na wala ka pang kaalam-alam, wala ka pang experience. So in other words, nag-aaral ka pa lang. He is already the person who made 6 figures in 6 months time. Took him 20 years, 10 to 20 years for him to make it. Right now, you are expecting yourself na in 3 to 6 months time, pwede ka rin kumita ng 6 figures. Dream on. Hindi po totoo yan. Diba? Ito lang, reality. Kailangan po natin maintindihan tong konsepto na ito eh. Ilang taong ka nag-elementary? 6. High school? 4. College? 4. Diba? Dati nung total of 14 to 15 years, graduate ka. Pagka-graduate mo, magkano kinita mo? Diba? Kumikita ka lang ng minimum, 15 to 20,000. Ito lang nung kumikita ka ng 15 to 20,000 pesos, nagreklamo ka ba? Hindi. Kasi alam mo, expected eh. Di ba? Yan yung expectation mo pag after 14 years of study, di ba? Tapos, pag graduate, minimum salary. Tanggap mo. Yan ang reality kasi yan ang expectation mo eh. Pero mali talaga expectation lalo ng mga nagnenegosyo. Ang expectation ng mga nagnenegosyo, di ba? 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, kikita na. Magiging milyonaryo na. After 2 years of doing the business.
Oh, bakit? Ba't di pa ako milyonaryo? Ba't wala pa yung milyon?
Duh. Ito tingnan nyo maigi 14 na taon tayo nag-aral na binibayaran tayo ng 15,000 pesos a month. Ni iban sa atin after 10 years of working, 10 years, so naging 30,000 sweldo mo. After 10 years of nagtrabaho ka ba, pumunta ka ba sa may-ari ng kumpanya?
Ba't di pa ako milyonaryo? Ba't wala pa yung milyon ko?
Wala. Kasi alam mo, yung expectation mo hanggang dyan lang eh. Pero yun nga mali yung expectation natin when it comes to business. Kung gusto nyo talaga maging successful, magkaroon ng time freedom, bigyan nyo ng oras. Kaya nga ito yung diskarte. Magtrabaho ka, mag-build ka ng business sabay. Part-time. Pakitain mo to, may regular income, pambayad ng bills, tapos ito, dagdag income lang. Tapos, darating ang panahon, yung kinikita mo sa business, natatapatan na yung income mo. Tapos, pag naging stable yan for 6 months to 1 year stable at meron pang potential for growth, you might consider that you want to already transition. Pero, habang wala pa yun, ladies and gentlemen, huwag muna. Trabaho muna. Ganun talaga eh. Oo. Kakain ng oras sa trabaho, kakain ng oras sa part-time mong business. Pero yun nga ang good news. Once na na-build mo na to at kumikita ka na dito na double, na triple, quadruple, nag 10 times na income mo, magkakaroon ka na tinatawag ng time freedom. Ha?
Ibig sabihin, pag iniwan ko, tatakbo na siya?
Maaari. Or if not naman, magkakaroon ka na ng choices. Dahil kumikita ka na, hindi mo na kailangan sunggaban lahat ng opportunity. You can already say no to the opportunity that's not aligned with your vision, mission, and values. Grabe, no? Sana naman na-enlighten kayo. Ang galing ni Kia. Kaya nga guys, kung hindi nyo pa pina-follow si Kia, follow her at TikTok, Kia Cabrera. Marami kayong matutunan sa kanya, especially when it comes to, yung way of thinking. Salute to you, Kia. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.